Hello students, we are going to discuss about standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation problem. First problem, calculate the standard heat of reaction of the following reaction. C5H12 plus 8O2 gives 5CO2 plus 6H2O. So C5H12 liquid pentane, state of aggregation liquid, oxygen state of aggregation gas, carbon dioxide state of aggregation gas, whereas water state of aggregation liquid. So data are given. So C5H12 minus 173.49, CO2 minus 393.51, H2O minus 285.83. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the standard heat of formation data. So the unit of standard heat of formation kilojoule per mole at standard condition. What are the standard condition? 25 degrees Celsius and 0.1 megapascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So one thing is very important here. In exam the standard heat of formation data will be provided in the problem itself. If not, a table will be provided and we have to collect the data from the table. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here as per the reaction we have 2 reactant and 2 product. Totally 4 components are there. In data we have only 3 components. So what about the another component? That is oxygen. So the oxygen standard heat of formation data are not given in the problem. What do you do here? So those components are not given in the problem. We should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the solution part, first we should write basis 1 mole of liquid pentane. As per the reaction, 1 mole of liquid pentane is reacted with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Are you clear or not? Okay. So take the reaction C5H12 plus 8O2 gives 5CO2 plus 6H2O. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this problem standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation. How will you identify? In problem itself standard heat of formation data are available, then it is a standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation. Are you clear or not? Okay. What is the formula? Standard heat of reaction is equal to summation of standard heat of formation of product minus standard heat of formation of reactant. That is the summation value. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here as per the reaction, what are the products? What are the reactant? First we are going to concentrate the product value. So the what are the product? First one is a carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide standard heat of formation data are available minus 393.51. So you should take as minus 393.51. So the what about the stoichiometric coefficient? How much moles are produced here? 5 mole. This is the stoichiometric coefficient of carbon dioxide. So 5 into the standard heat of formation of carbon dioxide. Are you clear or not? Okay. Plus another product. This is a water. Water, how much moles are produced? 6 mole. So the water standard heat of formation data is also available minus 285.83. You should take as minus 285.83 value. Are you clear or not? Okay. So then next we are going to concentrate reactant. So the what are the reactant as per the reaction? So C5H12. This is the liquid pentane. So here liquid pentane stoichiometric coefficients are 1. So the 1 into standard heat of formation of C5H12 plus how much moles of oxygen is reacted here? 8 mole is right. 8 into standard heat of formation of oxygen. So what about the oxygen standard heat of formation value here? Oxygen values are not available in our problem. What do you do here? Simply we should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So already I said those components are not given in the problem. We should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the substitute all the value, find out delta H R naught. Delta H R naught, this is the negative value. Is it correct? Okay. So this is a negative value, delta H R naught. So delta H R naughts are negative, the reaction is a exothermic reaction. So what is exothermic? Heat releasing during a chemical reaction. Are you clear or not? Okay, so this is the one type of the problem, standard heat of reaction from standard heat of formation. Okay, so another problem, calculate the change in enthalpy between reactant and product if both are at 298 Kelvin. So this is the standard temperature, and if 5 mole of ethylene, so ethylene oxide is produced as per the following reaction. So the what is the reaction? Ethylene react with oxygen to produce ethylene oxide. So all the components are state of aggregation, gaseous form. So the data are given. So here C2H4 52.50, C2H4O minus 52.63. So this is the standard heat of formation data, kilojoule per mole at a standard condition. Standard condition, that is a 25 degree Celsius. Are you clear or not? Okay. So next one is a solution part. First we should write basis. What is the basis of this problem? As per the reaction, 1 mole of ethylene gas is reacted. That is the basis of this problem. Next you take the reaction. From the reaction, how many reactant or how many products? From the reaction we have 2 reactant, only 1 product. What is the standard heat of reaction formula? Standard heat of reaction is equal to summation of standard heat of formation of product minus standard heat of formation of reactant. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here this is the product, this is the reactant value. Are you clear or not? Okay. So for this case, as per the reaction, what are the product? Only 1 product, ethylene oxide. What about the ethylene oxide stoichiometric coefficient? Only 1 moles are produced, 1 into standard heat of formation of ethylene oxide. Are you clear or not? Okay. Minus, what about the reactant here? Reactant, we have 2 reactant, one is ethylene, another one is oxygen. So ethylene 1 moles are reacted, 1 into standard heat of formation of ethylene plus half moles of oxygen is reacted, half into standard heat of formation of oxygen. Are you clear or not? Okay. But we have only ethylene and ethylene oxide standard heat of formation value. Substitute here. What about the oxygen standard heat of formation value? 0. Why? Because already I said those components are not given in the problem. We should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So but we don't have oxygen value. Simply you should take as 0. Okay. So the finally we get delta H R naught is equal to minus 105.13 kilojoule. Are you clear or not? Okay. So but problem is given 5 mole of ethylene oxide is produced. So what about the standard heat of reaction value? How will we calculate here? This value minus 1.5.13 joule is 1 mole. So the 1 mole produced mean, it is a 1 mole is equal to minus 105.13. Yeah, this is the joule. Is it correct? This is a standard heat of reaction value. But our problem, how many moles? So this is the 5 moles are produced. Are you clear or not? Okay. What do you do here? 5 moles mean 5 into minus 105.13 divided by 1. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here this is the 5 mole. 5 mole mean 5 mole is equal to, so here this is the cross multiply, 5 mole is equal to minus 105.3. Is it correct? Okay. So 0.5 plus 0.3 into 5. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the way we are going to calculate the change in enthalpy value or standard heat of reaction value. Finally we get minus 525.65 kilojoule. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is very important. 1 mole is equal to 105.13 mean 5 mole mean 5 into this value. Are you clear or not? Okay, this is very simple. Divided by 1. Okay, so the finally we get our desired value. This is the 525.65 kilojoule. This is also negative value. So negative value mean standard heat of reaction is a exothermic reaction. Exothermic mean during a chemical reaction heat is released. Are you clear or not? Okay, so thank you for your attention.